recorded as well. Thank you very much. And Kirti madam, snapshots you remember, right? Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So, sir, I am starting. A very good morning to respected principal, sir, vice principal, ma'am, deans, all HODs, faculty members, staff members, and my dear students. The day has come when we all gather to appreciate, congratulate, and most of all, honor the talent that we nurture. This ceremony not only motivates the current outgoing batch, but also inspires our upcoming batches to work hard and achieve this honor. Yes, I welcome you all to the Best Student Award ceremony for the year 2020. Now, this is a very strange year when all of us are advised to stay home for our safety. And thus, our management decided to conduct this ceremony virtually. Maybe we all are not sitting close to each other, but I'm sure that we are still connected. To introduce the process, we have 9 classes of final year in this college, namely Computer Science first shift, Computer Science second shift, Electronics and Communication 1, Electronics and Communication 2, Electronics and Communication second shift or 3. We have Electrical and Electronics Communication. We have Instrumentation and Control Engineering, Information Technology first shift and Information Technology second shift, and our Applied Sciences department, which constitutes the base of all of these departments. Now, one best student is selected from all these classes of final year, whom we will honor today. Further, all of these best students from different departments undergo a final round of selection process, and the best outgoing student of the college is selected from that final round. So now, without wasting much of our time, I would like to start the ceremony by inviting our very beloved and respected principal, sir, on the screen to address us with his motivational words. Sir, can I have you on screen?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible.
Okay. So, good morning, everyone. Respected parents, head of departments, teachers, students, and other students and students, best students, friends. It's a happy moment for all of us that, like every year, we have gathered again. But this is very special. This year is very special, as this has been the pandemic time, and we all are not physically together, but we are all close to with the hearts, and virtually we are together. So on behalf of Bharati Vidyapeeth family, I welcome you all on the prize distribution ceremony of our best outgoing students. Like previous year, this is very important and auspicious day of our college, and we celebrate with the bottom of our heart. Every year, 540 students take admission in this college, and all being given the same education, same environment, all facilities same. But you know, some create the difference. Some goes for higher studies in the best college in the world. Some take best placements, and some even do more wonders. And they create the difference. And through the process of this selecting the best outgoing process, we select our brightest star of this college who are passing out this year. This is the time we should feel proud of our students, and I want to tell the parents of such students that they should feel proud and thank God for the best gift of creation which has been given to them. I congratulate all parents for having such wonderful child, and I, on behalf of Bharati Vidyapeeth family, want to thank to the students and their family members for choosing this college, Bharati Vidyapeeth, for doing their engineering graduations. Congratulations again to all best students and best of luck for their futures. In the last, I would like to thank all the team members like Varun sir, Basu sir, and his team members, all HODs and the staff members for going through this process even during the pandemic time, for devising new methods, new innovative way of conducting this ceremony. So it is giving me immense pleasure inside, and I am very happy that we all are together. Even these natural calamity is not stopping us from conducting this event. So thank you very much for doing this, and I would again congratulate all the family members, students, and all their kith and kin, thank you very much. Thanks all for doing the great job and keep it up. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. It was all because of your guidance and your support that this day has been possible virtually. And now, starting the ceremony, we have from our computer science first section, we have Stuti Joyal. So Stuti, can you come on screen?
Yes, sir.
And a round of applause for Stuti. So,
Thank you so
Yeah.
much, sir.
so Stuti has been an intern at PwC India and Coding Ninjas. She won second position at NSUT Business Case Challenge. She has been a state level qualifier of NASA Case Challenge. She won second position at Business Case Study Challenge by DSE. And she also won many prizes in theater. She won first prize at case study competition by Corprozo 2017. And she also won in Best Music category in Itihas Anveshan, organized by Indian Heritage and Cultural Society 2016. Many congratulations to you, Stuti, from our
Thank
side.
you so much.
And there is a certificate which you can see on the screen. And we have a trophy also. So I now request our Vice Principal and HOD IT, Professor Vanita Jain, if she can come on screen and can felicitate you with this trophy and certificate. Ma'am, if you can come on screen. Yes, Stuti, you can be on screen.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am on screen now.
Okay, great, Stuti, great. So, Vanita, ma'am, if you can present the trophy to Stuti.
Vanita madam, you are on screen.
Varun sir, nothing is visible. Could you stop sharing your screen?
Okay.
I'm just seeing it properly.
Yes.
I
I
could
request
see.
Srinivaslu sir if he can.
Even I can't see.
Srinivaslu sir, if you can take off the screen. Yeah. Thank you.
The beauty is the screen on share is being done from Hyderabad.
So,
Vanita madam, if you can please be on screen.
I think Vanita madam is there, sir.
But she is not visible.
Have our permissions been taken off?
No, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, madam.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hello. Yeah, you are audible. We can see you as well, Vanita madam. And if you can see Stuti Jual, the best student of computer science first shift, is awaiting your blessings. Madam, can you listen? Vanita madam? Madam, you are audible. We can see you. Just put out the spec. Arun sir,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think madam might be having some.
Okay.
Something can be done.
Fine, sir. I think we should call Stuti to share her.
Actually, Vanita ma'am just called me up and then she cut. I don't know.
Okay.
What is the-
So Kirti ma'am, can you come on screen and present on behalf of Vanita ma'am to Stuti?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Together, Kirti ma'am and Vanita ma'am, if they can present the award to Stuti. Stuti, you are very lucky actually.
That's wonderful.
So, is I visible?
Yeah,
Yes.
you are visible.
Yes, ma'am. You are visible.
We can even experience the fragrance that you put in. Can we have the trophy? Can we have the trophy, Srinivasulu sir? If
Srinivasulu sir, if you can share the screen for the trophy.
That's real remote access.
excellent, excellent, Kirti ji.
So I congratulate Stuti for being the best student of my department, computer science, and
Thank you,
we hope best of luck. Please accept the trophy from behalf of the college. Thank you.
thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Applause,
And
applause.
a round of applause from our side. Stuti, many congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, Stuti.
Thank you, sir.
And Stuti, do you want to share a few words with us? Do you want to say a few words?
Yes, sir, sure.
Please.
So first of all, I would like to thank all the teachers and all the people who have been involved in this journey. Starting from my grandfather, who laid the foundation of my education, and my parents, my sister. I am just grateful to all the people who are involved. My mentor, Miss Dr. Vedika Gupta ma'am, and each teacher who's present here, somehow I have been involved in this 4 year journey with them, and they have always been very helpful, and this has been a really great learning experience. And these 4 years just passed, they just flew away so easily. Matlab, it is such an emotional journey when I see myself today, how much I have grown and how much I have been developed in these years. I thank Bharati Vidyapeeth from all my heart.
Thank you so much, Stuti. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Stuti. Thank you. Be in the meeting, but you may go off the screen now. Thank you very much.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Thank you, sir. And so now moving on from computer science second section, we have Mr. Rachit Jain, a very good spokesperson. Rachit, can I have you on screen? Rachit, if you can come on screen. I am waiting for Rachit to come on screen. Anyhow, I'll introduce Rachit for all of you. A very good spokesperson, a very humble student. He has presented 2 research papers in international conferences. He ranked 9 in MS Hackathon and was top 7 at Hack VSIT Hackathon. He also worked as an intern at EY and Corporate Web Technologies. He developed BVCOE NSS app, and he has been a part of backend of a result compilation app of GGS IPU. And I can see his keen interest is in digital marketing profile. Many congratulations to you, Rachit Jain. And here is the certificate for you. And I request Professor Anuradha Basu, Dean Academics and HOD Electronics and Communication, if she can come on screen and felicitate you with this certificate and the trophy. And Rachit, I cannot see you. Maybe.
Rachit, where are you?
Have you switched on your screen, Rachit?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Even I can't see him, Rachit.
Okay, fine. Srinivasulu sir, can you take off the... Yeah, thank you. Rachit, I think your video is not visible. Your camera is not visible to us.
Sir, just give me a moment.
Yeah. Please. Yes, now we can see you.
Now we can see you.
Okay, sir.
Welcome.
Yes.
So, Srinivasulu sir, can you present the trophy? Can you show the screen? For Rachit Jain, this is trophy. Ma'am, please. Basu ma'am, if you can please present this.
Yes. Congratulations. Yeah. Congratulations, Rajit. Please accept the trophy from our college ceremony. All the best to you in life. Stay happy. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Varun sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, Rachit. And a round of applause for Rachit. A round of applause from all of our side to Rachit. And thank you, Rachit. So now you can go off screen. And
Yes.
yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Rachit.
Rachit may like to speak a few words.
Yeah, Rachit. If you want to speak a few words, please share your experiences. Yeah.
Right, sir. So, firstly, congratulations to all my college mates for winning this award. I think I'm humbled and honored to be one amongst all of you. And I think to be deemed worthy of such acknowledgement and appreciation from one's college and all the faculties, I think it is a matter of immense satisfaction. And I'm thankful to all my teachers, mentors who guided and nurtured me throughout this beautiful journey. And apart from them, I think I'm extremely grateful to my parents who have always provided me the best guidance from the top level, but yet have encouraged me to be independent in my decisions. So thank you to all of you for being part of this journey.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much,
Thank
Rachit.
you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Please remain in the meeting, Rachit, but you may go off this. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right.
So moving on from Electronics and Communication Section 1, we have Mr. Abhinav Sopti. Mr. Abhinav, if you can come on screen. So Abhinav, if you can come on screen.
There's Kritika waiting. Varun sir, will it be allowed?
Ma'am, I have allowed Kritika, I guess. So I will be reading out a few achievements and I'll be introducing Abhinav to all of you meanwhile. So he has been a chairperson of IEEE, a chairperson of IAS, a secretary of Enactus. He has organized a conference in Innovicon, VHack, Fervor, etc., etc. And to my surprise and satisfaction, he actually realized the importance of attendance during lockdown. He told that to us during his interview. His sister is his role model. He's very passionate about B schools. And he believes that the students of all three colleges, if they interact more, then there can be more overall development of colleges and students, and a great suggestion to all of us. Abhinav, many congratulations to you on being the best student from ECE Section 1. And I request if you can come on screen. Abhinav, can you hear me, Abhinav?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. I have turned on my camera.
Yes. Okay, many congratulations to you, Abhinav. And I now request our Dean Research and HOD Computer Science, Dr. Kirti Gupta, if she can come on screen and can felicitate you with this certificate and trophy. Kirti ma'am, if you can come.
Yes, thank you, Varun. Congratulations, Abhinav.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Congratulations for being the best student of Electronics and Communication Department. My best wishes, our best wishes. And please accept this trophy from on behalf of our college.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And thank you, everyone.
I would like to hear a few words from you.
Thank you.
How does it feel?
Ma'am, it feels great. The journey of 4 years, it's actually not just 4 years, it's actually 23 years, right from the starting till now. Waking up in the morning by my mother, then getting into the college, motivated by teachers, principals, friends, everyone, going back home, then father telling me how to focus on life. So it's like a whole day cross 23 years. That's how I think I have reached here. And I would like to thank everyone responsible for those 23 years. So thank you all and thank you very much.
Thank you, Abhinav. A round of applause for Abhinav. Thank you so much. And
Abhinav, is your sister around?
Yes, sir. She had joined the meeting.
Okay. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thanks for giving the college a wonderful student. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, Abhinav.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So let us move further. And now let us move to electronics and communication, section 2. And from electronics and communication section 2, we have Miss Nishita Goyal. Nishita, if you can come on screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm on screen.
Yeah. So let me introduce Nishita to all of you. She worked as an intern at EY and Reliance Industries. She won so many hackathons like Delhi Police Hackathon 2019, SIH Smart India Hackathon 2019. She has been a finalist at eYantra 2018. And also she actually represented in front of me, she represented Bharatiya Vidyapeeth College of Engineering, New Delhi in front of our Honorable Prime Minister during our Smart India Hackathon. Many, many congratulations to you, Nishita. And
Thank you, sir.
I request our HOD Applied Sciences, Dr. Sushil Kumar, if he can come on screen and felicitate you with this certificate and a trophy. Sir, if you can come on screen.
Sushil sir,
Uh,
is he around? I think Sushil sir may not be available.
Yes, yes.
Ah,
sir,
good
he's there.
morning, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good
Good
morning, good morning, good morning.
Can you please come on screen, please, Sushil sir?
Sushil sir, if you can come on screen
I have
and can
come. All,
felicitate Nishita.
yeah, I have come. Just.
Sir, need to adjust the angle of your camera. We can see you, but possibly the angle need to be adjusted a bit.
Congratulations, Nishita, and
Thank
wish
you,
you
sir.
all the best for future. For your future. Yeah. Again, congratulations and receive this certificate and trophy for the college side. And I have also taught you, I think.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, congratulations. Yeah. Taught you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Nishita, and a huge round of applause for Nishita.
Thank you, sir.
Nishita, if you like to share a few words with
Yes,
us,
sir.
your
Sure, sir.
experiences.
So I would like to thank everybody who has been involved in this journey. Like all of my teachers, both of my brothers, my parents, everybody, my family, friends, and this wouldn't have been possible without you all. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Nishita,
Yes, ma'am.
how did the bouquet reach there from the college to your home? I can see a bouquet at the back.
No, ma'am.
No, that's not a flower bouquet. Okay.
No,
Sorry.
ma'am. That's a cushion,
Sorry.
actually.
Sorry.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Nishita.
Thank you so much, Nishita. So thank you so much, Nishita. Thank you so much, Sushil sir. And so I'm here again. And now moving on from ECE section 3 or second shift, we have Miss Vani Pruthi. Vani, can I have you on screen?
Yes, sir. I'm on screen, sir.
Yes, please come. Great. So Vani, let me introduce Vani to all of you. And she has been an intern at American Express. She's a certified cybersecurity professional from Lucidius Lab, New Delhi. She was selected for Youth India Challenge 2019. She was a youth delegate from India at Czech Youth Dialogue 2019. She has been a core team member of TEDx Nordcap team and winner of IET UK for best presentation skills in entire northern region in 2018. And one very interesting thing, she loves yoga. Vani, many congratulations to you from our side.
Thank you so
And
much,
I
sir.
now request Dr. Sushmita Mahapatra if she can come on screen and felicitate you with this certificate and a Sushmita madam, if you can come on screen. Sushmita madam is not there. So I request Professor Alok Basu, sir, if you can join us and felicitate Vani. Basu, sir.
Yes, Vani, I don't know. It is my good luck that I have the great opportunity of presenting this award to you.
So it's my good luck.
Thank you very much, Vani. I do recall the many interactions we have had
Yes, sir.
during your journey, and Vani was the only candidate last year who got a PPO from that bank, Citibank, right? American.
American Express.
American Express Bank, and then she wanted some clarification. It was always pleasure to be with such good student. Wonderful. Thank you, Vani. Many
Thank you,
congratulations.
sir.
Please accept this trophy and certificate. But at this moment, you are looking into the virtual trophies and the certificates. But believe me, they are
Yes, sir.
real. We will try to reach you physically. All those, right? Thank you very
Yes,
much.
sir.
And
Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you so much, sir.
Vani,
Thank you, Vani, and a
Vani,
huge round of applause. Yes,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
would Vani like to speak?
Yes, sir, sure. Sir, I want to thank all of the faculty members, the class advisors, the HOD ma'am. They have guided through every step of the way. These 4 years had been so much easier because of them. And to be chosen among such talented students is such an honor. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you. Thank you.
Vani. Huge round of applause to you, and
Thank
many
you,
many
sir.
congratulations to you and your department.
Thank you, sir.
Varun
Yeah.
sir, may
Yes,
I?
ma'am. Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Thank you for acknowledging all the three best students together. It makes us feel united in the department. Thank you, dear students. Thank you, Varun sir, and your team.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. So now, moving on, and now further, we have electrical and electronics engineering department of our college. From EEE department, we have Mr. Alek Joyal. Alek, can I have you on screen?
Yes,
Yeah, Alek. So let me introduce Alek to all of you. So Alek has been the R&D secretary of Enactus BBCOE. He's the joint secretary of IET BBCOE. He won third position at 6th International Grid Tech Conference organized by PGCL. He has been working on the idea of hydroponic farming, which is very interesting. And he also worked at a project in Kashipur, Uttarakhand. Many congratulations to you, Alek. Many congratulations to you.
thank you,
And I now request Dr. Aarti Kane if she can come on screen and felicitate Alek.
Thank you, Varun sir.
Yes. Please.
Congratulations, Alek.
thank you so
My
much.
best wishes for your future endeavors. Please accept this award on behalf of Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering. Thank you. Over to you, Varun sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, Alek. Alek, would you like to share a few words with us?
Yes, sir, sure.
Please.
So first of all, kudos to you and the team who has organized this event, because frankly speaking, anyone in this college would not have been expecting this event of this magnitude to happen online. So thanks to you for organizing it.
Thank you,
And
Alek. And it's actually because of principal, sir.
okay, thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thanks. So it was August 2016, and I was very scared to enter this place. And fast forward to 2020, this place has formed an immense part of my journey, and and I don't want to leave this place. So I would like to thank each and everyone, and especially my HOD ma'am, Dr. Kusum Tharani, and my faculty members, not just because they helped me academically, but also for helping me, in every aspect of life. So thank you everyone.
Thank you so much, Alek, and a huge round of applause to you. Thank you so much. And now I think let us move on. Thank you, Alek.
Thank you, sir.
And now moving on to our next department, our instrumentation and control engineering department. And from ICE department, as we call it, we have Miss Prerna. Prerna, can I have you on screen?
Yes, sir. I'm.
So many congratulations. And let me introduce Prerna to all of you. She has already enrolled for a PhD for upcoming winter session at State University of New York, USA. She loves to code. She has developed an air quality monitor using mobile phones. She has been an intern at IIT Gandhinagar, IIIT Delhi for Celestini Project, IIT Delhi, etc., etc. She has been a chapter representative of VVP IEEE. She featured in TensorFlow Dev Summit 2019 at CA. She presented the Air Cognizer featured at Google I/O 2019. She was also awarded the Paul Baran Young Scholar Celestini Prize in 2018. Many congratulations to you, Prerna. And I now request Dr. Kusum Tharani if she can come on screen and present this award to you. Kusum ma'am, if you can please present. If you can please come on screen.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Yes,
so Prerna, congratulations to you. You are the best student of the Instrumentation and Control Engineering Department. Kindly accept this trophy on behalf of Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering. You have wonderful accomplishment throughout your 4 years. All the best to you. Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Many congratulations, Prerna. Would you like to say a few words?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah.
Thank you, Varun sir.
First of all, I'm grateful to my family, my friends, and each and every member of our BBCOE family for whatever I am today. It's because of all of the combined efforts of all the people. And yeah, my 4 years in college, it was a beautiful journey. And I personally want to thank each and every one of you. And I'm very grateful for receiving this award. And congratulations to all of my fellows and who are receiving this award too. So a big thank you to everyone.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Prerna. Huge round of applause to you. And thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, Prerna. So let us move further to our IT department, Information and Technology department. And from IT department, section 1, we have Mr. Rishabh Lamba. So now let me introduce Rishabh. Rishabh, can I have you on screen? Rishabh Lamba. Hello. I think Rishabh is here.
Hello.
Yes, Rishabh.
The control was actually bugging me. Control
Okay.
disappeared at the last moment.
Okay. Yeah, so let me introduce Rishabh to all of you. He won SIH 2019, ETH India 2018, NASSCOM Paytm Hackathon 2018, Hack in the North 3.0 2018, InOut 2018, Hacks 2018. He also participated in StartHack 2019 in Switzerland. He has 7 research papers in many international journals and conferences of ESCI indexing. He has done internships at KiraiPay, Nutriland, Starterium, DST, Tech Mahindra. He has also been doing freelancing at Full Candidate, Max Healthcare. He won 3rd position at Marathon in Pune 10,000 run and 3rd position in Delhi Half Marathon in 2017. Many congratulations to you, Rishabh. And
Thank you so much.
I now request our Vice Principal, ma'am, Dr. Vanita Jain, if she can come on screen again. Ma'am. Vanita, ma'am, if you can come on screen and present this award and certificate to Mr. Rishabh, it will be a great honor. Student of your own department.
On behalf of Bharatiya Vidyapeeth College of Family, I congratulate Rishabh Lamba being the best student of IT first shift. And
Thank you so much,
I hope that he'll do well in his future also, whatever endeavors he does. And all the best to Rishabh, and stay safe at home, and God bless. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Rishabh, would you like to say a few words?
Sure, sir. Yeah, where do I even begin? I feel blessed to have such wonderful personals in my life. For sure, I'll be thanking my father, my mother for always believing in me, my sister for bugging me along the way, my HOD, Vanita ma'am. I might be the best student, but for sure, I was not the perfect one. And Vanita ma'am and the whole department helped me throughout my highs and lows. I'd like to thank the TNP department and Varun sir for organizing this event, and also principal sir,
Thank you, Rishabh. Thank you.
and helping us throughout this difficult times. And I know my grandfather could not be here for this moment because of network issues, but he so wanted to be here to see me getting this award. And all I would like to say is this is for you, Dadaji. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rishabh. A huge round of applause to you. And, finally, moving on to. Thank you, Rishabh. Yeah. So now moving on to the next section, that is IT second shift. We have Mr. Nalin Luthra. Mr. Nalin, if I can have you on screen.
Sorry, my light just went off.
Okay, Nalin, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. I can see you, Nalin. Thank you. And let me introduce Nalin to all of you. His role models are Leonardo da Vinci and Tesla. He worked as an intern with Oyo, Intellytix, Fab Hotels, etc. He won first position at Hack BMU Technosian World Robotics Competition. He has 4 research papers in various international journals of ESCI indexing. He has been the chief coordinator of BWest, chairperson of ISTE, Robotics Society Electronica from ISTE. And he also has been leading a team of 25 students to build home automation and self-driving cars. Many, many congratulations to you, Nalin. And this is a beautiful certificate. And I now request Professor Basu, if he can come on screen again and felicitate you. I think we have your family also here. Basu sir, if you can come on screen and present this certificate and trophy.
Yeah, thank you, Varun sir. Thank you, congratulations, Nalin.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful opportunity for me to present this trophy and the certificate virtually to you. Thank you, and do best in your life. Grow big and bigger.
Thank you.
If you can share a few words. Thank you.
Yes, I would like to thank my parents, my mentor, Dr. Vanita ma'am, and college principal sir and everyone to giving me an opportunity to actually stand out. I would like to also say when I started this college, it was just another college for me. From thousands of the colleges I have been to participate, and this was just one of the colleges. When later on, like last couple of days, when I went back to college for my 7th semester mark sheet, I just found that the closure was missing because we didn't have the farewell. Somehow this ceremony gave me that closure. We were actually missing the moments and everything from the college, looking at the canteen, looking at getting scolded from some teachers in some way or the other, getting praised for something, and everything was just a memory which will go a long way. And I don't know how to thank everyone, the college, and like for the award and everything. So thank you very much. That's all.
Thank you so much, Nalin. Thank you so much, and a huge round of applause to you. So many achievements. Stay connected with your juniors also for the work you are doing. Thank you so much. And now let us moving on. Yeah, so the final section of our today's ceremony is the best outgoing student of the college. And trust me, he really deserves it. Excellent student, humble, very creative, very intellectual. Can I have a huge round of applause for Mr. Rachit Jain from Computer Science? Second. Rachit, can I have you on screen? Rachit, if I can have you on screen. Best outgoing student of the college for the academic session 2019-20. Mr. Rachit Jain.
Rachit, this is the moment for you.
Hello.
Where are you?
Yes, Rachit, we can hear you. Can you please come on?
Okay.
Now you are visible, Rachit.
Yes.
And we
Okay.
have this certificate and a beautiful trophy. I request our honorable principal sir if he can come on screen and present this certificate and trophy to best outgoing student of the college, Rachit Jain. Sir, if you can please come on the screen.
Thank you, Varun. Congratulations, Rachit, and on behalf of Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering, please accept this beautiful certificate and trophy. And congratulations to you and your family members. Thank you very much for being part of Bharati Vidyapeeth. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So Rachit, finally, what please share a few words with us. You know, this is your moment.
In essence, sir, as I mentioned earlier, this college in particular has not just merely provided me with technical education or in particular technical skills. I think it was much more than that. Some very quintessential life skills that were taught to me. I think through these various presentations and all those hackathons, the college was able to nurture my personality or public speaking skills, and I think it has truly prepared me for the real life situations and things that I'll be facing in my career in the corporate world. So I'm truly grateful, and I think words might not be able to suffice the way I'm indebted to the college. So I think thank you to all of you, principal sir, HOD ma'am, and all my faculties who were part of the journey. I think thank you all. Thank you all.
Thank you, Rachit, and a huge round of applause for Rachit. And thank you so much for being there. So now, Rachit, thank you so much. And now I would request Professor Alok Basu. I think all the sections are over, and now he can come on screen and give a vote of thanks to all of the guests. Sir, if you can.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Varun sir, for calling me. I have the responsibility of offering the vote of thanks, but before offering the vote of thanks, I would like to ask a question to the audience. How did you like the program? Honestly, we thought, and then finally we could dish out a program like this. If some of you, anyone, awardees, faculty members or guests, if you can please unmute and give a little experience, how did you like it? Yes, Rachit.
Sir, may I?
Yeah, please.
Okay. So I believe, sir, during this pandemic, since I think just taking a leaf from just taking a page from the book of other companies who are doing virtual onboarding, I think this was a fantastic thing organized by the college. I think earlier it was a moment of great anxiety for all of us, like when would the ceremony be happening or so and so forth thing, and especially our families and parents were so concerned about it. But I think through this virtual platform, I think we were all able to come together and enjoy this moment. So it is truly amazing the way it was organized, bringing everyone together on this platform. I think hats off to you, sir,
Thank you
and
very
the
much.
entire team.
Thank you very much. And before we really finish off, of course, today's guests, you are the guests today, being the students also, it's our honor to welcome you, award you. Thank you very much for being with us, spending time with your friends, your families. And the next person I would like to really extend my thank is this. Without him, this program would not have been possible. That is our principle. We were debating, we were discussing how can it happen. Sir, believe me, with you, even without you, you have been discussing what is this? Ye kya hone wala hai? But it has been fantastic. Sir, from the core of our heart, from everybody's heart, on behalf of the students and their family, please accept our sincerest thanks for guiding us for a program like this. And without your support, it would not have been possible. And I'm sure that I would seriously go with this with Rachit. We are trying to record the program. will be something what will be a something, you know, for the others to follow. Excellent, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks to all the head of the departments, all the faculty members who have joined us, who have helped us in giving away the award to the students. At this moment, I am feeling little sad because we could not offer the chai and samosa for you, because this is what should have been the case after this event in this virtual world. Please have chai and samosa or whatever you want to have on our name, on the program's name. Also the group photo also we are missing, but anyway, instead of doing nothing, we have done, I think, reasonably good job.
Sir,
all together.
Basu sir, I would like to interrupt here.
Yes,
Let the situation be okay. We are going to have that photo session, and we'll invite all students, and we'll do it.
Okay. So last says that your honest tweet for the awardees, your actually printed. We designed it. Oh, I will be you know, not completing my job if I do not say the person, Mr. Srinivasalu, who is from Andhra Pradesh, have been doing Srinivasalu sir, wonderful job, excellent job. Excellent job.
Thank you.
Really,
Thank you.
You have demonstrated that how networking can happen. It's not very simple.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Another person needs no mention, Varun sir, for everything, not only for the comparing.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much. No, Varun, it's a wonderful show. Now I think Stuti Juwal would agree that theater workshops help, right?
Definitely, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you everyone. It has been wonderful program and session. We wanted to finish in 1 hour, and we are within 1 hour. So that is it. We would go off. Thank you very much. We have taken some clicks and the recording. We'll see how we can share. And coming back to the point, let us make this ready, and we will speak to each and every awardee. If you want to come physically and pick up the awards, trophy and the certificates possible, or else we would like to work it out. But it is yours. It should be in your cupboard. Instead of gathering college. Dust here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let us be off. Thank you. We will work. Let us be off. Be safe. Be safe. Thank you.
Basu sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can I ask head of departments to stay back for 5 minutes? I just have to share something.
Sure.
Others can leave.
Oh, I see.
Thank you so much.
Head of the department, stay back. Others, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.